In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notifications on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you will have Marketplace alerts turned on, so you do not miss new listings or messages. First, open Facebook. On your phone, tap the Facebook app icon to launch it. Give it a moment to load until you see the main feed with posts, your profile picture, and the navigation icons along the bottom or top. If Facebook asks you to log in, enter your usual account details and wait until the home feed appears. Now tap the menu, shown as the three horizontal lines icon. On many phones, this menu icon sits in the bottom right, but on some it appears in the top right. When you tap it, the view changes from your feed to a screen with your profile, friends, groups, and shortcuts. You should also see options like Marketplace, Memories, and Saved. This tells you that you are in the main menu area. From there, tap Settings and Privacy. When you do, a small list expands below with more options. You will see items like Settings, Privacy Shortcuts, and maybe Tools for your activity log. If you do not see Settings and Privacy right away, scroll a little in the menu until it appears, then tap it once. The section will open up immediately without an extra loading screen. Next, tap Settings. This takes you to a longer list that controls your account. Here you will see sections for account settings, security, privacy, and also notifications. On most devices, the page is grouped with bold headings and you can scroll through them. You do not need to change anything else here, so just focus on finding the notifications option. At this point, tap Notifications. The notifications page opens with several categories such as comments, tags, friend requests, and marketplace. This screen controls which alerts Facebook sends to your phone, email, and inside the app. You can scroll through the list and each category leads to its own detail page with more switches. If you ever wonder why something is not notifying you, this is the place to check. Now tap Marketplace. The Marketplace notification settings screen appears, usually showing separate toggles for push notifications and sometimes email or SMS. You might also see more detailed options like notifications for saved searches, messages about your listings, or recommendations. Take a second to look at what is available, because each toggle decides whether Facebook will alert you for that part of Marketplace. Finally, turn notifications on. Make sure the main Marketplace notification switch is enabled so it shows as active, not grayed out. When you flip it on, the change applies right away, and you do not need to tap any save button. If there are extra Marketplace toggles, turn on the ones you care about, like alerts for new messages about your items. After you adjust them, you can go back, and your choices stay in place. You have now turned on Facebook Marketplace notifications so you can catch new listings and buyer messages faster. If this helped you start getting Marketplace alerts, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Facebook tips.